What's up guys, it's Gautam here from Techlands. In this video, let us see the latest update about Adsense monetization for your YouTube. Yes, there has been a recent update in the monetization of YouTube. So now we are going to see what is the update that has been recently come. If it's your first time here, do consider subscribing to the channel and also hit that notification bell icon so you'll never miss any update when a video goes live here. With that being said, let's get started. So earlier this year, YouTube has brought several changes to its platform, stating that you should have at least 4,000 hours of watch time and also 1,000 hours for getting your YouTube channel monetized. So it was said that if you have reached the 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, your application might be get approved by end of April. So that was the statement given recently by YouTube earlier this month or maybe 2 months back. But now here's a recent change, and that is going to be a twist in the tail. So what is that is, now you have to wait for your approval till the end of June. So that is what the latest update that is given by the YouTube team, and I'll leave the link of that in the description below. So what they are stating is that YouTube has a lack of employees for reviewing the application or the YouTube monetization status, so that they are hiring more and more employees to manually review all the YouTube applications for the monetization. So since that there's taking a bit delay in reviewing your application and also for getting monetized for your channel. So this is what's currently happening from the YouTube end, and this is definitely going to be a disappointment for most of the beginners as well as the people who have applied for YouTube monetization. Seems like YouTube is going to be a place where if you have only passion for YouTube, you can be successful in YouTube. Other than that, I don't think YouTube is going to be a best place if you don't have passion towards it. This is the condition for most of the YouTubers currently, like even personally me, I would say, because I have another channel in Tamil called as Tamil Techlands, which is also crossed the threshold which YouTube has said, but now still I am also waiting for the current approval from the YouTube team. Hope I have to wait till June, I think so. So hope you guys also must have several questions regarding when is your the YouTube monetization is going to be enabled and all those stuff. But here is the final update that your application might be getting approval by the end of June. Hope you guys have found this video useful. If so, give this video a huge thumbs up and also share this with your friends. Let me catch you guys in the next awesome video. With that being said, I'm Gautam and I'm signing out.